Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to lesson number 9, Boxes and Sketches. As you know, what is the meaning of boxes and sketches? So, have you seen the cartoons or cubes or this dice when you play for the snake and ladders or you play for Ludo? So, have you seen the cube? Okay, so the cube is having how many faces? 6 faces it is having. Okay, or I can give you a best example of your house also. Example, you are standing in your room, so on which you are standing, so on a floor you are standing, na, that is called base. So at least one base you needed, then afterwards there should be a 4 walls around you, so that how many happens? Total 5. And definitely one up ceiling you want, roof you want, so 6 happens. So same way. Okay, now question number 1 is what? Which of the following shapes can be made into a box? Means here some shapes are given that you have to say which will create a one box. Okay, we have to tick mark. So what is important, that you need a 6 faces. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. So here we will tick. Now here, can you see this lines? So this lines indicates, means it is a half only. It is cutted from here. Okay, so that is why you have to say this, how many parts are divided. See, these parts are there for dividing. So there is a part here also there to divide. So no, with the help of this you cannot make a box. Now here again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So definitely we will do tick mark. Now in the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 only there. So 1 is missing. So that is why you cannot make a complete box. So we will not do tick mark here. Understood? Now question number 2. Draw 4 shapes which can be folded into a cube in the following grid. Now can you see this here? Now I'll explain you with the help of yours examples only. Okay, now see, here you are standing here. Imagine you are standing here. Now this will be your front wall. Okay, this will be your back side wall. Understood? Now this two, in this there is a one door will come, and from here this one ceiling will come, and this is again one door will be there. Okay, so it means this 6 cubes are there, 6 centimeters boxes we will take to make one cube. Now here, as I told you, there are 6 faces. How many faces are there? Faces are there 6, or you can say 6 walls are there, you can say, or you can say means 6 supports we need to make a complete box. If it is 5 only there, then it will be definitely incomplete. So for that, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 happen. It means because of this shape, if you will cut it, you can definitely make a cube. Understood? Now here one shape I have drawn here. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1, 2, this 3 and 4. Imagine if you are standing also, there are 2 walls will come and one ceiling will be there, and these 2 will be work as your here north and south, 2 means 2 walls it will react. Okay, or you can say this way. So this is the 6 cubes are there which will help you to make a 6 centimeter boxes are there which will help you to make a cube. Okay, now more I have drawn 4 shapes we want. So this is the third one. Okay, the line should be very straight. Understood? It should be very straight, so that you can make a perfect cube when you will cut this then. Okay, so here again I will give 1, 6 I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, means in the base at least 3 so 3 you need it, and other 3 will be in other direction it will be, then it's okay. But at least in a standing line or in a one direction only 3 at least we need it. Can you see, here we are having 4, here also we are having 4. See, here at least 3 we are having. Okay, so here also same 4 we are having, and then 1 is this and 1 is this. How this possible? So you will stand here, this will one wall, and this will be second wall, this will be your base, and this is third wall, this is fourth wall. Now what about the ceiling? So this part will come on ceiling. So like this way you can make a cube. Now here, can you see this 1, 2, 3, 4? Again this 4 are in standing manner, and then 2 we are having, or otherwise you can see like this way also at least 3 we are having. Okay, so same way here also you can react on it, that 6 faces should be there, so that it will be 4 walls, 1 base and 1 ceiling will be mid. Okay, now the last one is this one is there. 1 2 3 4. Again we are having in a standing manner. 4 we are having. Okay, and there are two doors you can take, two walls we can take. One will come in a as a doorway and one will can react as a ceiling. Okay, so these are the shapes which will help you to make a cube. Example, if you are playing Ludo or something in your house and if you lost your dice, so no need to worry. With the help of paper also you can make a dice also. You can take cardboard paper also, and any of this shape you can select. Okay, any of the shape, because it will give you the result in a cube form only. So you can take, you can cut it, and you can mark on that dots. You can mark it like 1 dot 2 3 4, like how in dice happen, and just put a cello tape and you will get your dice very nicely. Okay, or if you want to pack something in your house, if you want to container you want to make, okay, so to keeping your books or to keeping your some personal things, so you can take a cardboard also, and means you can create these things. At least you can make these things in your house. Okay, so thank you. I hope everybody have understood these questions.